Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to my page. I hope you guys are doing good. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious smoothies. And if you're interested in what I'm doing right now, what you are seeing, keep watching. All right, so to begin, I'm going to add some chopped ginger, add some water to that, and blend till it's smooth or maybe roughly smooth. So yeah. And when that is done, I'm going to sift that out to extract the juice. All right, so and that will take us to the next step. So the first smoothie I'm going to be making now is the cucumber smoothie. And you can see right now I'm adding my sliced cucumber. You want to slice into smaller pieces, that way it will be easier for your blender. Then I'll go ahead to add the ginger juice I extracted earlier. Then you add more water to that, and blend till it's smooth. Then you can reduce the water quantity or add more depending on how light you want it, but I like my own to be light, so I added more water. So yeah, and now our smoothie is ready. Can you see how light it is? So I like it very light like this, so that it will be easy for me to drink. I don't like the smoothie, especially the cucumber smoothie, to be too thick. So yeah, and this is the one I have left in the freezer. So the remaining one in my blender, I'm just going to pour that in and keep in the freezer. But guys, it's really best when you serve it very chilled. Yes, you will enjoy it better, but whichever way is also good. So the next smoothie I'm going to show you guys is watermelon and banana smoothie. And this is so nice guys, you really enjoy this one. And you want to add a little drop of water to that, and you blend it till it's smooth. And you might decide not to add water at all, so depending on how you want it guys. And yeah, our simple smoothie is ready, but that's a lot of health benefit, like so good for your body. You can't even imagine what this contain that can benefit your body. So yeah, and we are done guys. See how creamy and how yummy this is. And this is me stirring on the cucumber smoothie, and I just want to stir that up so that everything can mix properly. I want to drink this, man. It's so good for detox anyway. Like if you want to shrink some belly fat, it's good. And if you feel bloated, like you always feel bloated like me, this is so helpful guys. I can't even quantify how this has helped me a lot, from getting bloated all the time. And this is the other one. You can see how creamy it looks, but I won't be taking this right now. I'm just going to store that in a jar. I have a jam can here, so I'm just going to store that and put in the fridge to chill. Then I actually took this the next day. Yes, I took this the next day, and it was so good. So tell me in the comment section, which one will you prefer? But I know many of you will like this watermelon banana, especially those of you that like sweet something. But the other one is also nice. Like I said, if it's chilled, you really enjoy it. And thank you guys for watching.